Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my update for April in my 6 in 2026 update, or update project plan, so if you want to see, then definitely keep on watching. So for my 6 in 2026, this is basically a spin-off and a very smaller version of the 26 in 2026, or 25 in 2025. It's basically you take the end of the year, and that's how many products you will attempt to finish, or you'll have different goals, but for the most part it is to finish that specific number of products within a given year. I whittled it down to just 6 because I know myself I could not finish 26 products, and I wanted to try all sorts of different projects because I just like to challenge myself and overwhelm myself, and that's just how the cookie crumbles. So as previous updates, I will link them all down below, or at least a playlist. But just going over the products that I put in here that have already been finished. The first one being, I want to say in the first update, it was the LA Colors Auto Lip Liner and Bear With Me. That one I was working on, and then I had suddenly lost it, so in the first update I just called that a finished. I don't have a specific date just because I don't remember exactly when I lost it. The next product in here was the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in a Natural Ivory. That one my goal was to finish, and I did finish, and that was mentioned, I want to say, my March empties, and then I also let y'all know in my previous update in March from this project that I finished it, and that was March 18th. My last product that I have finished, it was the LA Colors Contour Stick in Medium. I finished that one March 21st, and so that one was also mentioned in my March empties. The 3 products that I have left, the first one, again, I'm going to repeat myself, for as long as I will force myself to use this, it is going to be a repeated saying. I put in my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade called Creme Brulee, I believe, yes. And this one I want to finish because of the discoloration that is coming through the bottle. This is a nude gloss. I have it on my vanity for the purpose of using this and remind myself to use. Is it going well? No, because I just forget. Next product I had in here, it's the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer, which a couple of months ago I had emptied and decanted into this container and mixed in with another foundation because I mentioned this before, one was dark, one was too light, so I tried to mix them to see if combining them would create a more matching, a better shade match for me. And again, there is no progress on this. I can't really show y'all just because it is very watery and it's almost full to the top. So this is as best as I can show y'all. I have not used this, and I did say last update that I would use this, or at least give it a couple of tries and really see if I can use it for the rest of the year, or at least try and get some use off of it. Now I'm doing this again. If by next update I do not at least use it 3 times or a couple of times to where I have a better grasp on my decision with this one, I am just going to call it done. The last product I had in here is the NYX Honey Dew Me Up Primer. This is my last bottle of this because I've had many backups. I've had 3 of these in my collection over the past couple of years, finally whittling it down to nothing just because this is my oldest primer and I wanted to get it out of my collection. I do really enjoy it, and as you can see, we are almost done. I am so excited that this is how much left we have. Like, it is crazy to me to look back at previous updates and know that it was a full bottle just back in January, and we are here in almost to the end of April, and I am almost done with it. So markings on this a little bit off. I did end up going back and marking that this was January, the 2nd month, 3rd month, and then this is actually 4th month. Should be a little bit higher just because I marked this kind of later in April, but anyways, this is almost done and I am so happy. That is everything I wanted to update y'all in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. I would love to chit chat with you there. I cannot say that either. And as always, have an awesome rest of your day and your week, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.